Nice big table. Plates on there, knives, forks, all your condiments, lovely. It's too big. Far too big. I mean, I can't get past it. There's no rhyme or reason why it should be this big. It's ridiculous. I can't spin my chair around because it gets in the way. So, what I propose to do is make a new table, thinner and not as deep. Gives me all this room to get through, turn the table round, chair round, and hopefully make life a bit easier. And it's so heavy. This thing's so heavy, it's unbelievable. Yeah, the other problem we got with this table, as you can probably see, it's not straight at all. It's not flat. It's leaning down at an angle, or leaning up at an angle actually. I think what happened before was the bracket underneath was broken. It's been pulled out the wall. So what they've done, they've put it back in, but I think they put it in lower. So consequently, the table now sits at an angle. So I'll address that problem at the same time. Okay, the battery went flat, so I've just carried on. I've routed these edges, just rounded them over a little bit with the router. Now I've marked out where this block is going to go. I was going to do it 25mm, but it was quite a long way out when I measured it when the table was at an angle, so I've gone up to 50mm. All we can do really is just drill it through, all the way through. Put all the plates on and offer it up. I've also got to do this bit and the pegs that I'm doing there, which you'll see in a minute. So I'm just going to drill this. I'll just put the battery on again. I don't know whether it'll last or not. Let's have a look. sometimes you can be lucky. Goes in perfectly. It's nice and straight. I can swing my chair around now and actually be able to sit down in here. Perfect. Don't need a lot of room for your, with your beer, do you? So yeah, I'm really pleased with that. That's gone in a treat. And here's the finished table. Plenty of room for 2 people. It's all stained up now, and we've used it a few times now, and it's perfect. Much better than that big ugly table that was in there, and it's so heavy as well. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, then please consider subscribing. Give us a thumbs up as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.